We're ready to demonstrate how the silhouette mask system can be added to a Matrx Flowmeter system. There is a breathing tube, a breathing bag, and a vacuum tube. We must remove those. And the vacuum tube. We can't take this bag tee away, but we can cap off where the bag was, and we can put an adapter over the 22mm fresh gas delivery port. We're now ready to attach the silhouette tubings, the smaller diameter for the fresh gas, and the vacuum tubing onto the vacuum block. The Matrx system is now ready to use the disposable silhouette breathing circuit.